Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing DMC stranded cotton and deciding how many strands you need. 2 strands are a common choice for even coverage. Once chosen, cut 18 to 24 inches to limit tangles and knot or anchor at the edge if needed. Thread the needle, gently separate the desired strands, and dampen slightly to reduce fuzz. Begin with a simple running stitch to secure the thread. Bring the needle up from the back, leave a short tail. Then make your first stitch forward to lock the tail. Once you've secured your thread, mount the fabric in a hoop to keep tension steady and stitch in one direction for consistency. Make each stitch the same length and follow pattern lines closely. Work in small, manageable sections to avoid tangles. When you need to change or stop, finish with a tiny backstitch or weave under several stitches on the back to anchor the end. Keep the thread untwisted by letting it follow its natural lay and adjust tension so the fabric doesn't pucker or. To finish, weave the remaining tail under 3 to 4 stitches on the backside and trim, leaving a tiny tail to avoid slipping. Do not tie bulky knots. If a strand splits or frays, cut a fresh length and consider using one fewer strand or slightly shorter pieces. If you notice puckering, rehoop the fabric with gentler tension, loosen nearby stitches, and reseat them smoothly. Remember, small adjustments to tension and strand count solve most issues, so test on a scrap before large areas.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.